Hello guys, welcome back to us. Today we're gonna show you A13 screen repair. Here we go. We open from the frame as always. It's a little bit tough to open, but as you can see, after I struggle a little bit, I open it. After you open the device, there is two plates. You remove it to the fingerprint. The first things after you screw all the top plate and the bottom as the second things. This I show you. Sorry, because we try to zoom for give you the best view. You remove it all the flat from the top. Be careful, there is a two screw, one on the top like this that I remove it now, and one on the bottom. This device was dropping water for the red stamp there. The part is original, as you can see. Now we remove the battery. We lift a little bit. After we put a little bit of isopropylic alcohol underneath, we heating up. By the time we start to set up the new screen, the original part, pretty easy. Boom, standard, the two screw, blocked everything, set up the antenna, 1 and 2. Okay, after we set up the antenna, we put a little bit of double-sided tape underneath. As soon as we did that, here we go. We remove the battery from the previous screen. Once we remove the battery, we assembled everything's back, and pretty much this is everything, guys. Watch until the end, and we're gonna see you soon. Please, for any information, let us know, write us a message, or drop a comment. Like and share if you like it our content. As always, this we really appreciate it.